just spent this really hot curtain. We talk about what I knew I feel that houses emotions in my heart. My heart is tied to yours. We have a continent. We found in love, but you are my baby side. I can see the love you are. Before I realized that the girl will fall within me, I never knew that anything like it could overwhelm me. If not for you, I could never notice. What am I waiting for? I can't hold back from what I'm feeling. You just can't feel it in words. It's my habit, it's so hard. Only you make me feel this way. No one can need to hold on the words I came to say. So let me follow me. Forever will I keep you all my love. Remember we just spent this really hot curtain. We talk about what you knew right from then. I was these emotions in my heart. No hesitate to me, I have a call to you. You feel like but I like it. Why by your side? Can you see the love in my eyes? Before I don't realize that the going for within you. Did you know something like this will come over with you? So let's be sure you that way together. What are you waiting for? Don't let yourself fall back when you're feeling. I know that feeling made it worse. I can't hear your voice, it's so hard, easy. Me that makes you this way. No one can need to hide all the words you came to say. So hold me close to me. Whoever be here, give me all your Yes, I know that I'm so much forever in love with you. Never let me go impossible to be with you. My heart belongs to only you. So let me whisper the words buried deep inside my heart. I fall to tie the in my arms, never do to you any wrong. I will always be this way, no longer needing to lose only what you hate and say. When we can hold on tight, however keep each of us around. I will always be with you. I love you till the end of time, my love.